Okay, ji parents, I have got this secondary school social studies book for grade 7, and this is a parental update. This book also stands video lecture right now. If you have been following our vlogs, अगर आप हमारे vlogs को follow कर रहे हैं तो pattern is same. All the entire text which is available over in the book, that's is in the form of captions over here. That means that you can read on screen. This text available in the book you can read on screen. इसके ऊपर हमने voice over generate किए. Voice over means they are backed by audios being played, you know, and that also enhances the listening function. That means students can listen, they can read on screen, and at the same time there's a video available. That's how they'll try to understand and grasp the topic. And once teacher will play this once, twice, thrice, or as many times as she thinks that the students have finally understood the topic, then at the end these are pre-developed objectives. The student will the teacher will take a test about that, an assessment what the कितना बच्चों ने हमारे इस टॉपिक को ग्रेस्प किया है. जनरली सोशल स्टडीज़ काफ़ी बोरिंग सब्जेक्ट होता है बच्चों के लिए. सो वी आर वेरी होपफुल के बाय कन्वर्टिंग इट टू वीडियो लेक्चरिंग फॉर्मेट, वी आर वेरी होपफुल कि ये बच्चों को दैट विल क्रिएट लॉट्स ऑफ जनरेट लॉट्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन द किड्स, एंड सेकेंडरी स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स विल बेनिफिट अ लॉट. And for the time being, we'll be showing you, we have picked up the chapter number 12 from the book. It's about the child labor, and we'll be showing you a demo from the same chapter. So please let's watch the demo. Thank you.
What is child labor? Child labor is the unacceptable form of children working. It is work that denies children the right to education and exposes them to harm. Quite commonly, the poorest in a society send their children to work in order to supplement the family income. No attention is paid to their health or emotional well-being. The years they should spend in the security of their homes, being fed, clothed, and educated, are spent doing tasks they are too young to handle. A look at history. With industrialization, families moved from villages and farms to cities to work in factories and workshops in order to make a better living. Factory owners hired children wherever they could because they found them easier to control and cheaper to employ than adults. Families saw this as an opportunity to increase the family income and so did not complain. Children were forced to do work they found difficult and tiring. They worked under harsh conditions and their well-being and health were never considered. Unfortunately, this is still quite common in all third world countries. Children are still being deprived of their carefree years of childhood and schooling. Dishonest employers cut costs by hiring them for very low wages. The burden of earning an income is put on their shoulders from a very young age. The employer. What is child